Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in and access Alcova Mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and in the URL box type in apply.alcovamortgage.com and press enter. This will then take you to your sign-in page for Alcova Mortgage. To log into your existing account, enter your email address in the text box appearing on the right-hand side. Now, enter your password on the next field. If you don't remember your credential, click on Trouble Signing In and follow through the on-screen instruction. After typing in both of your credentials, click on Sign In, and you will then be able to log into Alcova Mortgage online. So that's it for today's video. That's how you can easily access Alcova Mortgage account in just a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.